In my previous video, I was telling you about my copy trading system, where they do all the trades for me. It's Forex, and I said that this blue area was the sweet spot. And if you remember live on the video, I showed you that I just tipped into what I call the sweet spot. Well, my copy trading system actually closed up here. And let's just have a look at that. So I got a £55 and 58 pence there and £3.72. Now this is in test mode. So imagine what this is going to be like when it's up and running at full speed. It's going to be hundreds of these little trades a day. I'm happy to make £7, £55, £3.70 all day long. And if you look at the top here, I've got a balance of £1,051 and 76 pence. How fantastic is that? Now, if you're serious about having a passive income, Forex trading done for you in 2021, then what do you need to do? If you're watching this on my blog, all you need to do is click the button, go to the next video. If you're not watching this on my blog and maybe you're on YouTube, Facebook or Twitter, then all you need to do is click a link somewhere around this video is going to take you to this page where you can pop your name and your email address in, and I'll send you the details of how you can get started with this amazing system. Absolutely mind-blowing. I just love it. And don't you just love when you're in this sweet spot? Look, and it's dropping down again now, the price of Bitcoin. So I got closed out right at the top here. That's gave me the profit today. Absolutely fantastic. Got a balance there of £1,051. That's pounds, not dollars. So as I say, if you're serious about having a passive income in 2021, then make sure you click the link below this video. You have a fantastic day, and I'll see you in another video. Bye now.